All right, be honest. When you read a novel, you instantly go, what was the author trying to say? Like, that's literature, right?
Ah, yes, the classic mistake.
Wait, you're telling me my entire English education is built on a mistake?
Not a mistake, a habit, a very limiting one.
Okay, this already sounds controversial. Go on.
In 1967, I said something unsettling. The birth of the reader must come at the cost of the death of the author.
Bro, you didn't just critique the author, you deleted him.
Only his authority, not his existence.
Okay, set the scene. What was everyone doing before your author funeral?
They believed, author's life explains the text. The author's intention equals the meaning. Orography becomes interpretation.
So basically, author equals the god of the text?
Exactly.
And you said, nope.
I said, once a text is written, the author loses control.
So you're telling me, after publishing, the writer has zero say?
Correct.
That would destroy Twitter debates. Authors arguing with readers like, that's not what I meant. And readers like, too late. Okay, if the author isn't the boss, who is?
No one. Because a text is not original in the way you think. It is a tissue of quotations.
Translate that into Gen Z, please.
A text is like a remix, a meme, a collage of culture.
Oh, so like TikTok trends? Same sound, different creators?
Precisely. Language, ideas, expressions, they all come from society.
So authors aren't creating from nothing, they're remixing?
Yes. Now here is the real twist. Language speaks, not the author.
That sounds like language has its own personality.
In a sense, it does. Words carry meanings beyond intention. They connect in unpredictable ways.
So even if a writer means one thing, the words can say something else?
Exactly.
That's actually scary. So meaning is unstable?
Always.
All right, so if the author is out, what happens to meaning?
It becomes open, multiple, infinite.
So there's no correct answer?
There are interpretations, not final truths.
This explains why in class, one student says love story, another says tragedy, another says social critique, and the teacher says all are valid.
Exactly.
So literature is basically controlled chaos
or creative freedom.
This reminds me of another guy, Derrida.
Yes, my contemporary. He introduced différance,
which basically means meaning keeps running away?
A poetic way to put it. Words lead to other words, endlessly.
So meaning is like a never-ending scroll. You never reach the bottom?
Exactly. So if the author is dead, who's the main character now? The reader.
Finally, reader glow up arc.
The reader brings experience, emotion, culture, and creates meaning.
So reading isn't passive, it's creative? Yes, every reader writes the text again. Okay, this changes everything. So next time I read something, I should ask, am I chasing the author? Or exploring the text? Or creating meaning myself?
Because in my view, the author is no longer the boss of meaning. The reader becomes the creator.
So basically, we didn't just read the text, we co-wrote it. Exactly, a true co-creation.
If this just rewired your brain, drop a like, share it with your smartest friend, and yeah, subscribe for more theories that question reality.